Oh, this stuff's so carbonated. But man. Oh. Wow. Thick like those stouts. But there's no Brussels lace. Your typical IPA burp. Not high-pitched, very low. They don't want to give it up. But this... not a bad burp. Great lace. Oh, we're wow, that packed a punch. Oh yeah, this is a great beer. Oh yeah, there's number 3. Ale out of Boulevard Brewing Company. Great finish. And a little extra right there. St. Arnold's, the old Christmas ale. And it's even more. I've got a 6-pack of different ones. Oh man, it's the gift that keeps giving, right? Are you looking? Oh, not much. This is not going to give you much burp. Oh, I mean, that's where the pour finished. Oh, see, and you don't get that with wine. Because I don't, oh, yeah. Let me clear a little room. A little more carbonated than I thought. Here we go. Oh, I couldn't even get it. Oh my gosh. Highly carbonated. pretty incredible burp for a stout. Pretty good burp. I imagine this is what, like, when they first started brewing beer, just because they, just because the water wasn't safe, and, it's highly carbonated.
Drinking the whole thing? Oh.
Weak. Didn't know. It's really, I'm gonna continue. That was lovely. Hey, leave a message. That was a good burp. Oh. Man, there it is. Look at that. Oh. Oh. Woo. Wow, you could smell that one. That was a righteous burp right there. Good burp. Lovely. Or whoever is in a beach in 2019. It's that beer founded. Yeah, this beer's awesome. Wow. Whoa. Feel to it, but it's not overly carbonated. Maybe it is. It's not overly. Or there it is. Woo! The left, but then this beer, whoa, it is alive. Wow, man! Oh my God! A little bit came back up. Oh, that's so foamy. I can feel it. I mean, when I was drinking it, it was like, oh, what a fun experience. I just say enough about it. It is. I think you should try it. I think you should. It's got some. That's a good IPA burp. Nice and foamy. The flavor goes. But it was pretty tasty. And that's what you're gonna get. I can smell that burp. Whoo! Oh. Feel highly carbonated, more than I expected, and yeah. That was an IPA burp. Aroma, they weren't kidding. It's not. Baby, this is oh, that's a little bit of lace on. Oh my God. Oh. A little extra there. I wasn't even said they weren't very overpowering. Great.